What if I told you? You could make viral aesthetic home videos that look cinematic and you don't even need a camera. Sounds unreal, right? But I've seen channels doing exactly that. Some even got monetized within days after launching. They're posting nothing but AI-generated home videos and still pulling in thousands of dollars every single month. And today, I'll show you exactly how they're doing it, step by step, using free tools you can start with today. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to create cinematic home videos from scratch, no camera required. So grab your notepad, because we're diving deep into the same process that's helping creators make over $45,000 a month in this surprisingly simple niche. The aesthetic home niche is one of the fastest growing AI content categories on YouTube and TikTok. It's calm, visual, and endlessly creative, perfect for short-form content. The idea is simple. You show an empty room and then transform it into a beautifully designed, cozy, or luxury interior. That transformation alone, the before and after, hooks viewers immediately. These channels post 2 to 3 shorts daily and grow fast. People love seeing empty spaces come alive, whether it's a luxury apartment, a modern office, or a cozy bedroom. We're only using 2 free tools today. Tool number 1, Home Design AI to generate interiors for apartments, rooms, and houses. Tool number 2, ChatGPT to create base prompts and generate your empty rooms. Both are completely free and don't require paid subscriptions or complex setups. Once you understand the workflow, you'll be able to make one video in under 5 minutes. Step 1. Generate the empty rooms. Start with your blank canvas, the empty room. You can find some online, but it's much better to generate your own so your content stays unique. Here's how: open Grok or ChatGPT and type this prompt. Generate a realistic empty room image in 9:16 format. Wait for the image, download it, and repeat with variations. Or head over to the Imagine section on Grok AI, type in your prompt, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, Grok AI will give you several realistic images to choose from. Perfect for your creative project. Try prompts like: generate a modern empty room with natural lighting. Generate a wide empty room with a corner view, 9:6 format. Generate an empty kitchen with a bar counter and muted blue tones. Generate a luxurious terrace with a pool and an open courtyard. Creativity here is everything. Mix camera angles, color tones, and light moods. Once you have your set, bedroom, living room, kitchen, terrace, you're ready for the next step. Step 2, design the interiors with Home Design AI. Now go to Home Design AI, upload your first empty room image, choose the image format, 9:6, select the room type, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, etc., then pick an interior style: Scandinavian, modern, minimalist, or boho. You can add short prompts like: place the bed under the window, add warm lighting and soft beige furniture. Or just click Generate to let the AI decide. After a few seconds, you'll see a fully designed interior, realistic aesthetic, and ready to post. Repeat this for each room. I recommend generating 3 to 5 different rooms at once to build up your video backlog. Step 3, transform your rooms into animated videos. Now comes the magic, turning those static before and after images into motion. In this tutorial video, I will be using Kling AI. Click on the AI video generation section and choose Image to Video. You'll see 2 upload slots, one for your empty room image and the other for your furnished version. Next, add a simple prompt: room transformation animation, smooth camera zoom in. Then set the video duration to 5 seconds, set output to 1, And finally, hit generate in just a few seconds. You'll have a stunning room transformation clip. No editing, no filming, just pure aesthetic visuals. Perfect for your home video reels or YouTube shorts. Step 4, optional edits for cinematic feel. If you want to polish your video and give it that cinematic home aesthetic, open your generated clip in CapCut. Inside CapCut, you can add gentle lo-fi or ambient background music layer in subtle camera sound effects for realism. Insert your logo or watermark for branding. Once your edit looks smooth and professional, click on Export, set the resolution to 1080p for high-quality visuals, and hit Export. That's it. You've just created a professional-looking interior transformation reel right from CapCut, ready to upload as a YouTube short, Instagram reel, or TikTok video. If this video helped you, hit like to support the channel. Comment below what kind of AI video you want me to cover next. I read every comment, and of course, subscribe if you want more step-by-step AI tutorials, all built without coding. All the tools I mentioned, Grok AI, Home Design AI, and the animation website are linked in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.